The reason why I chased them from Uganda was because of the economy of Uganda. Uganda was going to be bankrupt. That is the reason why I chased away the Israelis.
We've seen that Jews have been rounded up and run out of many countries over the course of the years. But when we really look at the kinds of things that they were doing, even in Nazi Germany, nobody talks about this. Why did the Germans have so much problem with what the Jews were doing? Why were they burning books? They just tell you they were burning books. There's a bunch of homosexual books, a bunch of pedophile books, a bunch of transsexual books. I'm not saying that's all of the books, but there's a bunch of filth.
Let's take a look at General Grant. General Orders number 11. He gave them he didn't give them, you know what? Let's get all these Jews out. We'll give them 2 weeks. 24 hours. That's the kind of threat he perceived them to be. He gave them 1 day to get the hell out.